Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Jennifer Geller. Please subscribe to our channel Jennifer Geller because it supports us to make more quality videos. If you want me to make videos on special content, please comment in the comment section. And don't forget to check out channel Jennifer Geller whenever you are in YouTube. Are you thinking of making YouTube videos using whiteboard animation? Do you have second thoughts? Don't worry. In this video we will explain the use of whiteboard animation. For these reasons and more, whiteboard animation services can be just the solution you're looking for. A whiteboard animation video is an explainer video, typically used to sell a product or describe a system. Whiteboard animation videos are incredibly effective for communicating complex ideas. Using whiteboard animation can boost attention and retention for your audience. Whiteboard animation services might be right for you if 1. Your idea is complex. If the product or system you want to describe is intricate or highly technical, a whiteboard video can help. People often get bored during explanations, and the more detailed those explanations are, the harder it is to focus. 2. You need to cover a lot of ideas all at once. For reasons similar to those presented above, a whiteboard video is ideal if you need to cover a large amount of information in the presentation. With ideas unfolding visually as the narrator describes what's going on, you can get away with including a lot of different ideas in the same video, without losing viewer interest. 3. You want to tell a story. If you want your video to tell a part of your brand's story, no one will do that better than whiteboard animation services. Disney proved almost 100 years ago that animation is an extremely effective way to tell stories. Why not follow that tradition? 4. Whiteboard animation educational video. While whiteboard animation is a great way to shake up expectations, it really shines when it's doing what it was designed to do: educate. The illustrative power of whiteboard animation, particularly complicated concepts like scientific concepts, is simply unmatched by anything else. 5. The subject you need to share is really boring. If you are trying to present something boring but important legal terms, for example, whiteboard animation can help you do that effectively. People tend to learn better when they see something being explained visually. Using animation alongside narration can help your audience better understand and remember what you are sharing. 5 reasons why whiteboard animation is awesome for business purposes. Hopefully, these points have inspired you with your own ideas for using whiteboard animation services. Tell us your opinion below. Subscribe to our channel Jennifer Geller because it supports us to make more quality videos. And check out our latest videos whenever you are in YouTube searching.